Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ken and Lena in Atlanta. My name is Lena and I will do a lot of videos about luxury shopping, travels and lifestyle. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox the bag that everyone talked about and gave a lot of reviews, but this one is a little different. So let's see in this box. I got this few days ago from Vuitton website, and I didn't have a chance to do the unboxing until now. So let's see how it looks in real life, because I haven't seen this in person. This is just came out I think 2 months ago, so it's a little big, so I just put it here. Right, so another orange box. The inside. Let's see how it is. I'm excited to open this too. Hey, look at this beauty.
Pochette MÉTIS with braided handle.
This one is a little different than the original because it has the braided handle with the black and cream color. It comes with the charm in the cream color too. Let's see. Let me keep it a close up so you can see it here. It comes with the zipper compartment in the back here, which I will use for my iPhone. It has a micro fiber interior with black color in here. It's smooth. Let's open and see how inside. I know this bag, a lot of people gave review and talked about it on YouTube,
But not on the Pochette MÉTIS with braided handle like this.
It has a black interior inside with the microfiber. It has 3 different compartments in here. Oh, this bag made in France. Okay, it comes with the cream color strap. So this strap has 5 holes, but there are no hardware on the holes like the original one. Let me put the strap in to see how it is. This bag came open like this, so let's see how I close. So it's not easy to close because nothing in here. Let's see what fits in here, and so we may be able to close it easier. It comes with the S-lock, so when it's empty in here, it just like doesn't snap in. I got this in the middle pocket. My key pouch. Card key holder, and this one. Let's see how I close it. It's a little snug. Okay. Perfect. With the tag here, the charm, I can leave it in the front, or I can have it in the back here if you don't want too much going on here.
Alright, let's examine the bag closer. So the strap comes with the black and cream color handle, braided handle. This one is also black around and inside the logo. But the back and the front is cream color. And the strap It's also cream, detachable with 5 holes. And I like this lock right here. It can keep the strap from, you know, like curve up. I love this treated leather strap because I heard a lot of people complain about the original one with the monogram strap in here. These two sides look okay. Alright, let's open, see the inside. It looks compact from outside, but it looks very spacious inside. And I like this one because it's made in France. Louis Vuitton Paris and made in France. And this one is just one sheet of canvas. So you see the upside down LV in the back here. So far so good.
I like original, but this one just add a little touch to it, a little touch of uniqueness. It looks a little more elegant, so I think I can dress up more with this one. Then I love bags with a handle, and especially with the detachable strap, and you can make it shorter or keep the same length, but I prefer to make it shorter for my height. I'm gonna do more shots for you to see how this looks when I put on my shoulder or crossbody. If you watch to this part, consider subscribing to our channel. Let me tell you how I got this bag. It's a long process, which I came from the original one to this limited one. I went on the Louis Vuitton website, tried to order the Pochette MÉTIS, the original monogram one, but it wasn't available. So I saw the monogram reverse available. I tried to purchase that, but the order was canceled because I already ordered more than the items that are allowed to order from the website within a month. So I use a different account to make another purchase. Then a few days later, I saw this one became available. So everyone wanted to get the original, but this one just came out 2 months ago. So I think it's new and it's limited. So it just, I like it a little better for my collection. It came out in 2012 and became really popular few years afterward, but I didn't shop with the Louis Vuitton for a while until this quarantine started. So I had more time to go on the website and check out the bags and see what is available, and I just try to get the hard to get items, and I came across with this one, and that's how I got this one. What do you think? Do you like it with the braided handle? I saw this on other website. They have a different color for the braided handle, which is like black and red with the like orange color strap. Looks a little bit too much color for me. So this one is still looks like original, but it's still elegant, neutral. You can dress up easier with the black and cream color. I really love the look of this bag. I don't know how it is later on when I can use it, but I'm gonna put some photos so you can see. Look at this beauty. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness, the color is neutral, very beautiful. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below if you have any questions, or if you want me to do the review for this bag later on, like in few months. See you in next video and have a blessed day. Bye now.